How to fix the issue with Adobe Illustrator server. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with connection in Adobe Illustrator. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly try launching Adobe Illustrator application. If you are having trouble doing that, what you need to do is go to the files of your device and then you need to check whether the file of Adobe Illustrator that you are using is verified or not. As sometime if you are not using this application by paying it to officials, you might have downloaded the application through some drive from internet. So for that you need to verify your file first. After you are done verifying it, try restarting your device and then launch the Adobe Illustrator application. So that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to fix the issue with connection or server of Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.